Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I am going to do an unboxing and review video of Ring Diva light, which has been ordered by me recently. This light specifically I have ordered because recently I have started doing makeup videos, and also for that this ring light is a must equipment. So additionally I have bought a warranty card for 1 year and I have paid $2 for it, but for to get this warranty I have to get it registered within 1 month of the purchase. And one gift card also, I got some code, maybe I can get some off with this code. So let's check on the product first. This product I bought from Amazon.com and I paid almost $28 for it. $24 was the price, then around $2 I have paid tax, and $2 for the extra warranty which I bought for extra 1 year. This comes detached, maybe for the easy shipping you have to attach it, but attachment and assembling part is very easy, and it comes with a booklet, kind of manual booklet. You will get all the direction how to assemble it. This light comes with a Bluetooth remote and the wireless connection can be up to 10 meters. This is widely compatible with most of the Apple or Android smartphones. This package comes with a cell phone metal gooseneck holder, which is very good specifically for those people who are making selfie videos. And this gooseneck holder is very compatible with iPhone X, 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, and even Samsung phones. They are very compatible with. And this comes with one tripod also. Oh my god, this is interesting part. So here is the tripod. You can directly fit in that if you want this light to be just stable at one place or one direction. But if you want to rotate this in 360 degrees, then it comes with another part which you have to attach first after tripod here, and then you attach the light, and in this way you can rotate this to the degree you want your light to be. One thing I would like to mention here, this video is not at all sponsored. This product I bought for my personal use and I'm just sharing my own experience, and I have unboxed it before using it, but now I'm making the video after I have used it couple of the times, and I'm kind of really happy with this product as of now. Additionally, you can change this light in 3 different shades, or maybe you can say 3 different colors as per your need, that is off-white, white and warm white. So the people who are using Amazon.com in USA, I'll share the same product link, you can purchase from there. And for my viewers who are from India, I'll definitely add one very best alternative of this light. You can buy easily on Amazon.in. So stay tuned guys for more videos. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. See you all in next video. Bye bye.